Hello everyone, I am here at HARTING, a company which provides industrial connectors in the machinery industry.
What you see here is our regular Han connectors, starting from 6B to 32B. We do have solutions with plastic enclosures also. If you come to the machinery industries, where the electrical cabinet plays a key role, we do have solutions with Han snap, and then with the grip frame where this requirement is for IP20 or IP40. And we do have connectors with terminal block inside. The connector interface in the front side and the other side is a terminal block. So different solutions possible. And docking frame, if you want to do a blind mating, so we do have docking frame solutions. HARTING, as you know, it's known for rectangular connectors. We are the market leaders, the rectangular connectors. In our series, we do have Han-Modular, which was released in the early 1990s. And again, in the Han-Modular, we have plenty of designs available, more than 150 modules. We have from signal power up to 300 amps. And we do have pneumatic contacts, which can support up to 12 mm diameter. So, and if you see the amperage, apart from Han-Modular, we have HC Modular where we can offer you up to 800 amps. Okay, so different termination possibilities are available with HARTING. One with axial screw, the other one with the crimp. Then we have quick lock. Then we have cage clamp. Then we have screw termination. Then we have push-in termination. Here you can see our new products, the push-in termination. Okay, so which we have released in Q Solution and Han Q series. Also Han-Modular and the Han-Modular. Okay, so the ES Press, the rapid termination, we do have series in ES Press, which comes in 16 amps. And these are the various inserts offering what we do with Han E series and Han D series, where we can offer up to 216 pins in a connector. We do have connectors with say power and signal together with different combinations with screw termination, crimp, as well as with axial screw. For logistics and conveyor, we have energy distributors where starting from 3 plus PE, 5 plus PE, and we do have energy distributors in Han Power T. Like you take wherever you require for the motors, you just connect with a cable assembly. You can take multiple tapping. So this is Han Power S, another variant in the energy power distribution, or the running cable. You can just tap it and take the output. Okay, so this is a different variation. In circular connectors, we have full range from MA to M23, and we do have Ethernet switches. We have the RJ45 and with a push-pull, and then with IX industrial. So different connector possibilities are available in our range. Right. So for food and beverage industries, we have a special connector which can be used in the food zone, and we have connectors with stainless steel hood and housing, where not much people have, where you can use in food and beverage industries. We have special housing with AMC. Okay, so apart from the standard B what we have, not only as a connector solution, we do offer as a complete cable assembly as a customized with our connector at one end, maybe with the other competition or maybe whatever the termination which is required. We have the manufacturing plant in Chennai. We can design the complete harness and manufacture to your needs. So we do have the testing facilities, and we do the qualification to the IEC and other standards. Thank you.